In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use index match formulas and why they're superior to VLOOKUP. Welcome back. Today we'll demystify the index match formula, show how it works in Smartsheet, and explain why many builders prefer it over VLOOKUP, especially when creating robust reports and dashboards. On screen, imagine a simple task tracker with columns like task name, assigned to, department, status, priority, due date, and hours. Our goal is straightforward. Look up a specific task, task 005, and return the person listed in the assigned to column. This is a perfect use case for index match. Think of match as your locator. It finds the position of a value in a column. Index is the retriever. It returns the value from another column based on that position. Together, they give you a flexible, reliable lookup that won't fall apart as your sheet evolves. Click the cell where you want the result to appear, then type the formula exactly like this. Index, assigned to, match, task 005, task name, rows. Here's what's happening. The match function searches for the text task 05 in the task name column. The 0 at the end tells Smartsheet to find an exact match only. When it locates that task, match returns the row position. Index then takes that position and pulls the corresponding value from the assigned to column on the same row. In plain terms, it finds task 005 and returns the assigned person's name. Why is this approach better than VLOOKUP? Unlike VLOOKUP, index match doesn't require your lookup column to be on the left. You can look left, right, or anywhere, which makes your sheet layout much more flexible. It also won't break when you insert, delete, or rearrange columns, so your formulas remain stable as your data grows. That durability is a big deal in complex dashboards and automated workflows. Press enter, and you'll instantly see who's assigned to task 005. If the assignment changes later, your result updates automatically. If you ever get an error, check for typos, extra spaces, or mismatched capitalization in the task name column. It's also a good practice to keep your ranges consistent and, when appropriate, lock them so they don't shift unexpectedly. That's the essence of index match in Smartsheet, and why it's often a smarter, safer choice than VLOOKUP for building dependable reports and dashboards. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell to get notified about new tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.